Hello, this is Dr. Janet Six, Senior Product Manager at Tom Sawyer Software, and today we're going to talk about how to use the React-based Web Client Framework. The new native React-based Web Client Framework is available for table, tree, and inspector views, toolbar, dialogues, context menus, as well as the web previewer. This new web client framework provides an option that lets you create web applications with a modern look and feel. It is called the Modern Web Client. For example, in this application, we can see modern views, icons, colors, and fonts. This option uses Material UI, or MUI, which is a popular open source React component library that implements Google's Material Design. In today's video, we are going to show how to change this example application from the classic web client framework to the new modern web client framework. We open the example application in Perspectives Designer. Then we open the project preferences. And here we can see where the classic web client had been previously selected. We changed the selection to modern. Now let's go back to the web previewer and see how the example application looks now. And here is the same application with the new modern look and feel. On the left side of the application, we have several trees, including this one with special colors indicating the connection load. Next, we're going to select an element in our network, and you can see how the views are synchronized. The element and the building in which it is located are both highlighted in this tree, and the attributes of this element are shown in the inspector here. The element is also highlighted in the table here. Now we select a different element in the table, and in the drawing view, we zoom in to that selected element. You can see how the level of details for the network elements changed as we zoomed in closer. We were able to see more details. Next, we're going to go to the connection table to see our connections or edges in our graph. We select a specific edge, and the drawing view will zoom in to that particular edge. The modern web client framework also supports direct integration into Angular applications. When you are ready to deploy your Perspectives application with these new modern React-based web client views, you can use the Generate Web Application Code feature in the Designer, and it will create scripts for you automatically, and then it will accelerate building and deploying the application to Docker, Kubernetes, or AWS Terraform. Please see our YouTube video on Generate Web Application Code for more details. In today's video, we discussed how to use the new native React-based web client framework available in Tom Sawyer Perspectives. Thanks for joining us. Contact Tom Sawyer Software today to start your free trial of Tom Sawyer Perspectives.